ओके सो हम उत्तराखंड में हैं एंड वी आर विद दिवेंदु. दिवेंदु, हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? प्लीज टेल आवर ऑडियंस हम कर क्या रहे हैं. एंड लुक एट हिम प्लीज, ही इज अ वाइब. लुक एट हिम.
Yeah. So this is how I dress casually every day, and I've just come here just for local sightseeing. It's a beautiful place here.
शेरवानी में.
Yeah. That's how I dress up.
या सो यहाँ पे पूरी सेट लगी हुई है. टेल अस अ लिटिल अबाउट द सीरीज, अगर आप बता सकते हैं तो बहुत मेहरबानी होगी.
थोड़ा बहुत बता सकते हैं डेफिनेटली. तो सीरीज जो है ये हमारी लाइक यू सी उत्तराखंड में सेट है, बेस्ड है. इसमें प्राइमरीली इट्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ 3 फैमिली मेम्बर्स, फादर एंड 2 सिबलिंग्स, ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, जो कि मैं, विनय सर और कुशा हैं. कुशा और विनय सर भाई बहन हैं, मैं उनका फादर प्ले कर रहा हूँ. सो बेसिकली कुछ ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं कि हम थोड़ा फाइनेंसेस लाइफ में बहुत ख़राब हो गए हैं हम लोगों के. हम बिगड़े रईस ज़्यादा हैं और हमारे जो दादा हैं उन्होंने कहा है कि जाइए, यहाँ पे एक हमारा पुराना होटल है, गो रन दैट होटल एंड इफ़ यू आर सक्सेसफुल मैं तुमको अपनी जायदाद दूँगा. Hence we are here on a mission.
Okay, you know, coming from a big city and coming and living here, they have been living here for 50 days just to shoot. It is like life changing. क्या मतलब क्या मज़ा आ रहा है, क्या मिस कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, फील्स कैसा है बताएं.
यार मैं तो फुल पहाड़ी बॉय बन चुका हूँ. ठीक है. You're in देवभूमि as they call. My character's name is Dev. So welcome to देवभूमि. आई एम रियली हैप्पी यार, मुझे बहुत पसंद है पहाड़. मैं पहले भी आता रहता हूँ यहाँ पे. आई डोंट मिस सिटीज़ एट ऑल. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आती है, या एक्सेप्ट फॉर फ्रेंड्स. कभी कभी वो लगता है बहुत लंबे उसके बाद. अदरवाइज आई रियली लव एवरीथिंग हियर. यहाँ का खाना, यहाँ के पहाड़. आई कैन जस्ट स्टेयर एट अ माउंटेन फॉर आवर्स लाइक like this.
Uttarakhand is so beautiful that you actually can just stare at the mountain.
Yeah.
I mean, even when you're traveling on, coming from the hotel to the set, it's a 1-hour journey.
Yes.
But that 1 hour is so scenic.
Oh yes, you see the mountains, you see the light play in the mountains.
It's beautiful.
It's lovely. खाने के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पे एक भटकी दाल है जो कि बड़ी फेमस होती है, बड़ी मज़ेदार होती है. साग है. यहाँ पे साग बनाने का तरीका बहुत अलग है. जैसे मक्की की रोटी सरसों का साग वाला नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे दे डोंट मेक इट लाइक अ पेस्ट, सो इट्स अ लिटिल रॉइश. यू हैव दैट. देयर बेसिक दाल्स आर सो नाइस. सब्जी, गाजर, मटर. मैं एकदम खुश हो जाता हूँ यहाँ पे आके. मतलब इट्स फूड फॉर द सोल.
एंड डाइट करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ
बिल्कुल डाइट करने. बट ओके, लेट्स गो बैक टू योर कैरेक्टर देव. यू नो, बीइंग, I am guessing he's very privileged, and then he's coming to this small town where he's staying and getting used to the surroundings. You know, where are you originally from, and how much can you relate to this character personally?
So maybe एक जो similarity है वो ये है कि मैं और देव दोनों बड़े शहर से आते हैं. I come from Delhi. Dev also comes from a metropolitan city. उसके अलावा कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं. मतलब मैं लाइफ में इतना रूड और इतना प्रिविलेज आदमी हूँ नहीं जितना देव है. बट या फॉर द कैरेक्टर it's really hard for him to adapt, and understandably so, because आप पूरी, like you said, you're privileged, you know, पूरी ज़िंदगी एक तरीके से जिए, and then you come here and suddenly you're dealing with people where you don't share the temperament more than anything. You know, पहाड़ में हर काम आराम से होता है. सर हो जाएगा. Cities we have like फोन कर दिया, जल्दी से आ जाओ भैया, कब आओगे, half an hour this guy also comes. But in पहाड़ they take their own time. वो आपकी पहले तो बात ही सुनेंगे 15 मिनट, फिर देखेंगे आपको 5 मिनट कि are you sure ये करना है. Then you say हाँ भाई साहब प्लीज कर दो, then they go ahead and do.
फिर वो होगा 2-3 दिन.
या वो हो जाएगा अपने टाइम से. But it's nice यार. It's something one can learn, you know, कि इतना कोई भागा दौड़ी और जल्दी की बात है नहीं लाइफ में. You know, काम हो जाते हैं जो हमें लगता है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सब कुछ है
इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है.
यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा काम एक ही होता है, गर्म पानी नहीं आ रहा है. ये सबसे बड़ा काम है यहाँ पे.
I absolutely agree with you. सुबह ठंडे पानी से नहा के आए.
हाँ बस.
और टेम्परेचर 11 है.
तो ये है जो बोलना होता है भाई साहब गर्म पानी नहीं आता, तो वो सबसे तेज वो काम करता है जिसमें वो 20 मिनट लेता है. ओके सर मैं आता हूँ, तो पहले अपने आप को गर्म करता है फिर आता है. बट आई लव द पीपल हियर.
But Dibendu, in your personal life, you know, from a normal Delhi boy to becoming an actor, there is a shift of privilege there also. When you become an actor and you're very well known, you have a fan following, you know, how has that changed you, or has it affected you? Because now things are available more easily.
Right.
People know you
Yeah.
better. A little more better lifestyle, luxury.
Yeah.
You know, how has that changed you, or has it changed you at all? How you keep yourself rooted? You know.
So the good thing is that maybe I am blessed in a certain way that I don't get carried away in life, and I don't feel too swell up, you know, when I get success or anything. My basics are very clear in life. I wanted to be an actor. Today I'm an actor. I'm working professionally. People like my work. I like doing my work. So every day on set when I come, I feel happy that this is what I wanted to do and this is
काम
what I'm
मिल रहा है।
doing. हाँ जी, और अच्छा काम मिल रहा है, आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आप खुश हैं, लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं। Yes, your lifestyle and everything, मतलब कुछ चीज़ें affect करती हैं, but for the betterment only, because people love you so much. You go to airports, you go to restaurants, they always come and meet you nicely. They compliment you. They're gonna offer their best dishes, you know, complimentary कुछ ये आ रहा है, कुछ वो आ रहा है. तो just to receive all that love is really special, and I don't take it for granted. I really value it, cherish it every day. Yes, I'm not someone who would just go out there. Not a very hyperactive individual who would go and, you know, do this and that and this and that also. I like to maintain my peace and my calm.
You know, OTT has changed how actors are perceived and how characters are perceived. People from, I feel, from people from small towns are bigger fan of you
Yeah.
or Divendu than bigger cities, and the reach is much more. How has content like this changed your life, and what is the craziest thing a fan has ever done for you or come and told you, or where it has happened?
Many. OTT, I think more than anything, it saved our cinema.
Yes, I agree.
It was not going in a very right direction, sadly. But yeah, with OTT, new creators are coming, new stories are coming, new characters are coming. What I like about it, that it's a writer's medium essentially to begin
Yeah.
with, you know. You need to have your stuff written nicely on paper, only then you can go and shoot your 7, 8, 9 episodes. For me, again, I am thoroughly enjoying this medium. I'm doing films as well, theatricals, everything, but the kind of freedom you get here is amazing. Also, what I feel is OTT works on merit. So no matter how big your project is, no matter how many famous names you have, if it doesn't ring a bell with the audiences, they're not gonna watch it. And if they like it, the penetration is so deep that it's beyond you. The crazy thing you were asking, it's crazy in a different way, because I was shooting in Scotland, okay, and there was this scene of mental asylum, okay. So there are junior artists also there, and there were a couple of girls from Brazil. This one girl, she sees me and she goes absolutely nuts. She calls her sister on video call and she says, him. And I asked her, she has seen Mirzapur.
Oh,
They are big fans of Mirzapur. So, dude, big cities, I'm talking about countries.
Oh
I'm
my
talking about
God.
continents. It's amazing. It is beyond. And especially with Mirzapur, I think it has broken all the shackles of class, everything. बड़े बूढ़े आंटीज मीट मी एंड से बहुत अच्छा मिर्ज़ापुर में, और मुझे शर्म आती है, आपने देखा है तो उसमें तो थोड़ा बहुत आंटी मैंने नहीं बेटा वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वो तो कैरेक्टर है आपका.
the
Their
audience is so smart, right?
Precisely, their imagination, their understanding of content has increased so much. It's such a welcoming change when people say कि आपका character बहुत अच्छा था, you know, आपने जैसे उस character में, they've started using these words like character. आपका characterization
Yeah,
आपने कैसे
yeah.
किया.
The
So
lingo
they-
has changed, and that is also a huge responsibility now as an actor.
Yeah.
कि भाई मेरा audience तो इतना smart है
Yeah.
कि मुझे अब इससे आगे बढ़ के कुछ करना पड़ेगा, right? All
बिल्कुल.
the time
Yeah.
you're challenging yourself कि
100% is.
they are not fools. And even when you're choosing a script,
Hmm.
is that what you keep in mind? Ki the writing should be such that by the audience is not taken for granted. They know what you're writing.
100%. But first things first, the milieu of the script must attract me towards it.
And that's
personally.
exactly what happened with this show.
Yeah.
How long did it take for you to say yes to it?
It took me a while though, because it's a comedy comedy has to be funny.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
आप अपने खुद
One of
मेहनत
the
नहीं
most
कर सकते.
difficult thing.
Precisely.
Yeah.
You can't do मेहनत in comedy. Either it's written well or it's not. The casting becomes so important. You know, you need to have those people to have that kind of flair for comedy. लेकिन चीज़ें धीरे धीरे करके सब साथ में आई and I'm so glad right now the kind of cast and crew we have is a killer. I mean, it's going better than what I had expected. It's that. I'm very happy.
Wow, और क्या चाहिए? I mean, and we are here we are going to spend 5 days with the cast and crew, and
Wow.
I'm so excited. कितनी सुंदर है आसपास के
Awesome.
ये, I mean, you just get lost in
And
it.
evening bonfires, oh, are the best. उसके साथ खाना पीना,
बस.
जो भी करना, गाना बजाना. Yeah.
Bus, and we are going to catch you next. Maybe we'll try to get a bonfire and talk over.
Done.
Done?
Plan.
Plan, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.